We are on the road, and we got stopped because of that. And Jeffrey wanted to try fishing. Okay. Okay. We're gonna drive in there and go pick Daddy up. Okay? So I'm over. There you go. Now you gotta sit down. Okay. We're gonna go pick Daddy up. Okay?
Yeah. Hey, Carly, bring Mama her pole real quick. Don't take out my windows with that slip sinker.
Trying to hook me a bigot. I was hoping a Jeffrey. All right.
Now drive us down into the water further down that way so we can get into the deeper area.
I'm already in the deep area.
We're going to fish from the back of the truck, okay?
Am I on the road?
I think maybe you should have backed in here.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Here, hold on, y'all.
Truck fishing. Flood water.
What?
Alright, let's back up a little bit more. You gonna get back here and fish with us now?
Mm-hmm.
You got us parked?
No. I want to get
Ah!
Careful, don't fall in the water. It's gonna be no, actually fall in the water, it'd be better film. Watch Carly, she almost hit you with a fishing pole. Is this a good idea? Yes, it's a good idea.
I don't know, Junior. Is it a good idea to put the truck in the water?
It's a good idea to back the truck into the water. Yeah, it is. Because we didn't bring the boat, you know. Really thinking I need a crankbait down the middle of this road. You know, normally when you fish a gravel road, you want to fish a crankbait when you're fishing a gravel road.
Junior, what are you doing?
fishing.
Are you catching anything?
Yeah.
Huh? What'd you catch?
A bad fish.
A what?
A bad fish.
A bad fish?
Yeah.
A bad fish?
No, a bass fish.
What kind of fish, Junior?
Bad one.
A bad one?
No, bad.
Oh, bass?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, get behind the wheel of the boat and take us out of here.
Ow, God.
Why? I'm inside my foot.
Get your mom. Oh, now be careful. Make sure to fall in that water now. Fall in the water. It's funnier if you fall in the water.
I think coming out of the truck is going to be easier.
I think your tailpipe's under the water. Take us on to the house.
Are they sitting?
Yes.
Y'all hold on.
Holding on to this pipe and
Okay, you can let me in the front of the truck now. You can stop. Yeah, I figured you'd stop. You knew I'd whoop your ass if you didn't stop.